guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm teaching you how to make this amazing salad which is called Mahua salad. But before that, like this video, share it with others and quickly subscribe. So the ingredients you would need are some apples which are sliced really thin like french fries, and a tip is soak them in water so they don't turn red. Then you need some lettuce, then some roasted walnuts, some peanuts, tomatoes, strawberries, purple or red grapes, then green grapes, oregano and some chili flakes, a spatula, a spoon so you can take and put ingredients. Then you need mayonnaise and ketchup. Also you can add any kind of fruits and vegetables you like, because this is also a fruit, nut and vegetable a salad. So the first thing we're gonna start is by making our sauce. So we'll take some ketchup. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our ketchup and we're gonna put it in our mixing bowl. I am using an approximate measure, but the exact you can find on my blog, which has the recipe book. Now we're gonna put our mayo or mayonnaise. So remember that the mayonnaise has to be 3 times the amount of ketchup. So I've put 3 times the amount of ketchup. Now we're gonna take our spices and all. So we have chili flakes plus oregano and a little more herbs in it. So I'm gonna add that now. This is it. Now we're gonna sprinkle it all. Now we have to whisk it properly so that the sauce is ready. So as you can see, I'm whisking it like this, and all of it should be mixed in properly like this, and I'm whisking it so that there's no red space left, like there's no ketchup left, and it's all mixed in. Now addition you can do is you can add some heavy cream which will give it a nice texture and it'll be creamy, so it'll be a nice sauce. Now I forgot to tell this in the start, but you need a little bit of lemon juice as well, so it'll give a nice taste. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So here is my fresh lemon juice which I'm gonna add in. So it has to be fresh, otherwise it'll taste bitter. So just add a little bit or it might spoil the taste. So I've put that much and now I'm gonna mix it in well. Like this, so that it's fully mixed in. Now we're gonna start by adding our other things into this salad. Now we're gonna add in our fruits, which are grapes, red grapes, green grapes and strawberries. So a trick I use is that I put the soft ingredients in the first, then the crispy crunchy ones, and then the really sensitive ones like the apples, which can break and can, like, they're very sensitive because while mixing they can break or they can even become mushy. So as you can see, I've put my grapes, tomatoes, strawberries. Tomato comes under fruit as well. Also you can use any fruit or vegetable you like. So as you can see, now I'm mixing it in properly and slowly so that they don't become into a puree, because then it won't be that nice. Let's see, so you have to twist and turn it, mix it in one direction like this. I'm so sorry guys, the clip for this could not be found, but in this step you basically have to add your nuts in and mix it. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to take our serving plate and we have to put our lettuce on it. We have to decorate it with the lettuce. So basically make your lettuce into a bowl kind of a thing and cover the whole plate like I am doing. I'll just show it. So like this. See, this is how I've done it, and that's exactly how you have to do it. And now we're gonna start by pouring in our salad. But before that, just before pouring in the salad, you should always add apples, because you can softly mix it and then add it. because if you mix it too much it might break. So rinse all the water out and add your apples.